Hi everybody. So today we are going to be making a mobile. I wonder if you know what a mobile is. A mobile is basically a sculpture that hangs in the air and is suspended and it's able to move around freely. So we're going to make one today out of some sticks that I found in my yard. I've already attached these sticks together in a crossways kind of fashion. If you made the God's eyes earlier this year in like November, December, I kind of attached these sticks together in the same way. If you don't have any yarn or string like I used, you could also use a rubber band, a pipe cleaner, some of those little twist ties that like maybe your parents get on bread, things like that. So get creative, find some sticks out in your yard, find something that you can attach them together. This is going to be the top part of our mobile, and then our drawings that we create are going to hang down from this. So I've already created my drawings for the mobile. Of course, you could put anything that you want on yours. I started off by making the world. And I've attached a string right here. That's how it's going to hang. To make the hole in here, I just use my hole punch. So you might have one of those around your house. If you don't, you could always use the end of a pair of scissors. Just be careful when you're doing that. You might want to ask for a little help. So I've got my world here. I've got a cat. I've got myself. I know it looks just like me. A cloud and a rainbow. I don't have a hole in my rainbow yet, so I'm going to get out my hole punch and I'm just going to punch a little hole in my rainbow. I also have this yarn here that I'm using to attach my drawn objects to the sticks. So you're going to need your sticks. You're going to need something to attach your sticks together. It could be string, it could be yarn, it could be a pipe cleaner, a rubber band, twist ties. Get creative, okay, guys? And then you're going to want to create at least four little drawings that you could hang from each side of the sticks here for your mobile. I made a couple extra. I actually made 5 because I thought I could have one hanging down here and then I could have one at the top, or I could have it coming down from the middle. So you could even do like 6 maybe, depending on how many you want to make. All right, so I'm going to start. I've got myself here. So I'm just going to tie this to one end, okay, like that. And then let's see, I think I'll do my cat over here. I actually want it to hang down a little bit lower. You could make all of your drawings at the same height, or you can make them varied heights. Okay, so it's already kind of moving around. Now, let's see, I'm going to add my rainbow next. I think I'm going to bring that up just a little higher. I cut my yarn pretty long. I always like to start out with a long piece because you can always cut it shorter, but it's hard to add more. So it's better to start out with a nice long piece, and then you can trim it if you want, okay? So I still need something over here, and I've got my cloud for this side. So I'm gonna add my cloud on here. I'm just tying it onto the end of my stick, like that. So now I've got my cat, and my cloud, and my rainbow. And I just did kind of a little scribbly design on the back of these. You could do something a little more detailed. I just wanted to make sure that there was something on the back, because the cool thing about a mobile is you can see it from all sides. It's a sculpture that hangs in the air. So you want to make sure that you have something back there, so when this is spinning around, you're getting to see something. All right, now I'm going to take my world and I'm going to attach that up here at the top. I'm going to attempt to. So I'm actually going to have a hole at the top and the bottom here, okay? And I'm going to get my yarn. Again, you can be creative. If you don't have yarn like this, see what else you could use. Maybe you have some pipe cleaners, maybe even really like dental floss could work. These are times when we have to get creative, use what we have, and I know you guys are already really good at that. So I've got a piece of yarn attached here at the top of my world and a piece here attached at the bottom. This part at the bottom, I'm going to attach right onto this little cross here. Like I said, I'm gonna try this here. And so I'm just tying that yarn. So this will kind of be something to that I can use to hang my mobile. Okay, and now I can see, this is another way that this is a great exercise. I can kind of see that one side of my mobile is leaning to the side over here. I think this piece is very heavy. I have this small cat head. It's a little bit lighter. So you're going to have to kind of play. Oh, look what happens if I do that. You're going to play around a little bit with making this nice and even. You might have to add a little bit bigger one over here, maybe a little smaller one. You could even experiment with taping some pennies onto these and seeing if you can change the weight with that. So this is actually a great science and art project. You can do a lot of experimenting to get your mobile to hang just right. So I've got my world right here. Let's see if you guys can see my world right there. And I've got all of my spinning pieces right here. All right, and now you just have to find an awesome place to hang this. I feel like this would look really nice, maybe hanging in a window. I know a lot of people have been putting rainbows in their windows, or maybe like over your bed. It could look nice. So you find a special place to keep your mobile. And of course, you don't have to draw the same things that I've been drawing. You can draw your own designs. And when you're done, I can't wait to see what you do. All right, see you guys soon. Thanks. Bye.